Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the network boot protocol on HP SPECTRE X360. To do that, we're gonna have to first enter the BIOS on this laptop. And to enter BIOS, you have to shut down your PC completely and then short press the power button, and during the launching process repeatedly click escape key until you see the startup options. During the startup options screen, you're gonna have to short press the F10 button in order to enter BIOS. Here you'll be able to navigate between tabs using left and right arrow keys and navigate between options using up and down arrow keys. This way you have to navigate to the boot options tab, and then first of all scroll down to network boot and make sure that network boot is enabled so that your network boot protocol is valid. So if your network boot is disabled, first of all you're gonna have to press enter and change the status to enabled, and then you can change network boot protocol. To do that, navigate to network boot protocol, select the current protocol by pressing enter, and then select the one that you need to use. So we have IPv4 and IPv6 option as a default one, but we can use solely IPv4 or IPv6. To apply changes and exit, press F10 and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.